how to add link to your bio on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add the link to your bio on Facebook app, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook and go to your profile by click on your profile icon, and here all you need to do is click on see your about info, and you're gonna find your bio here. And all you need to do is you can click on edit profile, and this is your bio. Click on add, and here you can add a short bio to tell people more about yourself. If you want to add, click on here and click here. Now all you need to do is pass the bio you want, the link you want, and click on save, and this is it. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.